Appointment Plus understands the importance of email marketing for creating professional-looking emails and building customer relationships. That's why we integrate with multiple email marketing systems to let you stay connected with your customers and promote your business. With the Appointment Plus email marketing plugins, you can quickly send your Appointment Plus customer list to your email marketing system, import and manage customer email lists, and quickly add a Book Now button to your marketing materials. Appointment Plus currently integrates with 4 email marketing systems: Constant Contact, iContact, Vertical Response, and MailChimp. You can set up email marketing with your Appointment Plus account with 3 easy steps. First, choose an email marketing provider and create an account through their website. Second, enable the Appointment Plus plugin for the email marketing provider you chose. Third, link your email marketing account to your Appointment Plus account. After creating an account with one of the email marketing services, click on the Marketplace link at the top of your account, then select the email marketing category. Click the Enable link next to the email marketing service you created an account with, select what locations to add the plugin to, then click the Enable button. To link your email marketing account with your Appointment Plus account, click on the Settings tab at the top of the page, then enter the login and password associated with your email marketing account. You can now send mailing lists to your email marketing system through the Appointment Plus customer reports. Just click on the Reports tab, then select the Customer Reports link. If you use a different term to describe the customers in your account, such as clients, your Customer Reports link would read Client Reports. Near the bottom of the customer report, a new formatting option will show to let you export your mailing list to your email marketing account. Select the option for your email marketing service, then click the Run Report button. You can then review the customer list prior to exporting to your email marketing account. The customer list is predefined to include the customer's first name, last name, email address, and phone number. From this page, you can also view the customers to be exported, create a new mailing list, and merge with an existing mailing list. To send the list to your email marketing account, click on the Export List button. After creating a new mailing list or merging your customer data into an existing list, you have the option of adding a Book Now button or text link to your newsletter. Just select the Use My Customer View link with a newsletter option after exporting your customer list, then copy and paste the Customer View link anywhere on your newsletter. We hope these integrations help to promote your business and keep your calendars full. Thanks for using Appointment Plus.